I gotta replace that fuse. Hey buddy, you need something? As you can see, my turn signal is flashing pretty quick. And then, so is that one. This is what it looks like back here. Every so often, it's like that one LED strip goes out. So, where'd it go? And this is what that side looks like on the back. So, I instantly know I got two issues. But now, to fix the issue with it flashing real fast, I need to come over here and I need to change out this flasher fuse. So that's what we're gonna knock out real quick. Here's the fuse. 2 wires. As you can see, this is probably the original one. So I'm gonna have to pop this right on out. I'm trying not to break nothing. I can't see nothing. Push it down, pull it out. If you have it, don't forget to take this piece off. This is the new one. Definitely looks different from the last one, the original one. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to fit this on here anywhere. Well, let's just get this thing plugged up. Push that in there. All right, we're just gonna shove that right there. Leave that alone. As far as I'm concerned, I should have put this down first, but let's just move that out the way for now. And voila. Turn signal is a lot more steady up here. Even that one. Wait, there you go. So yeah, that turn signal. That turn signal. Let's check these rear. Yep, that's what it's supposed to look like. Hit the other one. Oh wow. Yeah, I gotta do something about this tail light quick. The turn signal's ever flashing too fast. Pretty sure that's what it is. Like I said, I'm not gonna make this video quick. I'm not gonna make this video long. Oh shoot. I'm not gonna make this video long. That's it.